Everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I want to go over your agenda for Monday, November 29th. I hope you're all doing well and staying happy and healthy. For Monday, November 29th, you will be finishing up reading Thank You, Ma'am, along with completing the reading questions, which can be found in the subfolder at the top of Schoology. You will also be completing the discussion post for Thank You, Ma'am, along with a creative writing reflection. The creative writing reflection looks like this. You are to choose one of the 4 options listed below and complete it with a minimum of 10 sentences. These are your options. You can write a fictional short story about a character that goes out of their way to help another character with a problem. Option 2 is to write about a personal experience where either you did something selfless for someone else or where someone did something selfless for you. Option number 3, write a reflective piece about the experience or blessings in your life that you are grateful for since we are coming out of Thanksgiving. And option number 4 is to write a fictional story about either an occurrence years later that makes Roger think about his experience with Mrs. Jones, or years later when Roger runs into Mrs. Jones again. And you then write your response there below. Please also remember to complete your silent reading in your silent reading tracking sheet and then submit your silent reading tracking sheet for weeks 10 through 13. Alrighty guys, I hope you have a wonderful Monday back from Thanksgiving break, and I will see you on Tuesday. Bye-bye.